Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying both hardware and system permissions so you can isolate the problem quickly. Start a quick hardware test on another device or a voice recorder app to confirm the microphone itself works. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Microphone, and enable app access. This lets apps request audio. Make sure the correct input is set as default in sound settings, and turn off exclusive control in advanced properties so apps don't lock the device. You now resolve driver, app, and conflict issues that commonly block access. Open Device Manager to update or reinstall the audio driver. If a recent update broke things, roll back to the prior driver. Next, inspect the app's internal microphone selector, unmute and raise input gain, and confirm the app has permission inside its settings. Finally, close background programs that capture audio and unplug virtual audio devices, because you finish by resetting and validating that changes fix the issue. Run the operating system's microphone troubleshooter or reset app permissions to default to clear misconfigurations. After that, test the mic in a new user profile or safe mode to see if third-party software or your account settings are causing the failure. If problems persist, swap cables or use a different mic or powered USB hub. Capture error messages so you can provide precise details to support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.